Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Kennedy Akumpre Japan, ahead of NPP presidential primaries, who is going to lead NPP to face NDC 2028 general elections. Prophet Telvin Sowah abedin komo na we a deep secret. No, Chemse, Honorable Kennedy Japan, was just 5 hours out of the Jubilation. From an opano kopim, we are 11 o'clock there. Kennedy Akumpre Japan, and a Jubilation. Now, 11:30, no, Babia Bayedin, 12 o'clock on be declared Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as a winner. Now, the only thing I want bet me here to defeat NDC ne say I just say wamuka omhubom na baako ekoye presidential candidate na baako ekoye the running mate sade ombetumi a defeat NDC. Now apart from that there's no way ombetumi a defeat NDC. We review a lot yentie no ya ba beto us.
Oh Dabi. Monday 11.
Okay.
12-11.
Okay.
In the 12-11 that I'm looking at in the realm of the spirit. In the 12-11 that I'm looking at, the 12-11, I'm talking about Kennedy, Japan, and then Bawumia. Now, I told you earlier that in January somewhere, or maybe last year, was it last year or January? Primaries.
I think January.
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 I told you that there will be an election and there will be primaries, and then Bawumia will surface and then will win the election and run the whole show, which will not be a problem at all. So, notwithstanding, this is the whole ideology, and this is the whole system which I have seen and witnessed.
Okay.
Now, I want to break it down to you to make clarity in that angle so that there's no confusion. The first thing I want to show you is this, number one, which you have to understand. First thing I want to say is this. Today there's a lot of distraction. If you put distract, I'll be able to deliver the way I have to. Yes. So now one important thing is that 11 and then 12.
Okay.
One will arrive at 11 and one will arrive at 12.
So far, say anything.
Let me explain to you.
Okay, explain.
The primaries between Bawumia and this thing, Kennedy or Japan. Yes, the two of them. One will arrive at 11 and one will arrive at 12. It is time pattern, specific timeline. One will begin to enjoy a very loud noise, but one will finish last. He who finishes last is the winner of the election at the end of the day. And it's not proverb. Everybody knows that it's Bawumia that is winning, which I've already prophesied already. So he will finish last with the result at 12.
I see.
The election will be held for 2 hours. Pause.
A pause and then a because was that time no. 2 hours no. Then a because
in 2 hours it will be a break, like a lot of battle. Nyama be break also.
On the election day no. Kennedy Japan ebedi na ni sa akopem 11 o'clock.
Okay, yeah.
That's what it means, 11, 12 no.
Yes.
And then
once that thing, there will be a little bit of break. Won't say, I say, wait, cause I'm gonna stop here. And I'm gonna try to, wait, cause and people are gathering, trying to wait for the result, and everything is at a pause, and everything is not moving. All of a sudden, boom. As I told you, 11 something will change. 12 o'clock, Bawumia.
You know, na di for ni be say, Ken na all winning, and not say, Nanka ampa Ken winning, and a BB changing, Anna. Suffer.
Yeah.
They say, I don't need to talk on social media, I saw for no come. We see. Oh, and I didn't know. Acquire social media war.
So I will say this is final. Say take it from this place and go with it as the Lord lives. It is established
that
in I don't know when they are even having their election, but the one I see contending in the 2028 election is Bawumia, Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. I don't know him from anywhere. He is not my friend, and he has not given me any capre.
Enti Bawumia na kwa face NDC candidate na say no. Usi unye hu nipa kro no.
Oh, I've already seen it. I know who wins the election from now until I'm no more. I know every president by name. Every one of them by name. Yes. And I've confronted about 4 of them in time from 2022. I already know that I've told them to be president. Yes.
Wow.
Surprises will be pulled out. Each one has I've already got their own results. They know how the number they will get.
Eti Baumia be facing NDC candidate na no anya 44%.
Yes.
Na NDC candidate na anya
53%, yes.
Eti usu nim president Tina say 2028 no NDC ni ne ba 2032 no why biom na eba. Still NDC.
Oh, Senia, I always say, I have a quote from Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. Or see, o can in na. O yen na, ochina.
Okay.
So, yang didn't kakra.
Okay, yen to waso. Yen to waso. Ye better ba hobium. Number 2, so for.
That's the main one I want to talk about today.
Okay.
That's the main one I want to talk about. No, I wanted to clarify because a lot of people are confused about. And so sometimes no, there's a difference between caption that is working and then there's a difference between other things that is going. So over to me will say like maybe far misstatement, you make clippy one short part of it and then no more finesse the other side. Yeah. Now when you are clippy one side, no finesse the another side. So I wanted to make it very clear again that is the outcome of the election.
What can can say Ken Berry and yet and what can
and I may see Baumia be winning. Man say Ken Berry.
Okay. Okay, Baumia be winning.
Yes, of course.
Na Ken at also second. And okay. And it be permanent. Kennedy Japan in Crawford no almost frail.
As for that one, I will not say anything here.
No
non-disclosure.
Okay.
Non-disclosure. If I tell you whether they've called me or not, it's not good.
Okay.
Yeah. So as for that one, not non-disclosure. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. And it is say General Mosquito ni Joshua Labi there no so for Akosi saying.
Yeah, and there's a crucial timeline. You know, I was telling you that General Sedun Kita had no competitor. Now he has a competitor in the time. So, and then a very different angle. But then, time is very unique in that angle. And then things are being settled in time. So, as the Lord lives, we go forward.
So, settle Kohifa. Also, things are being settled. Settle Koniseng.
In February, I'll explain it to you further. Yeah, but in February, Metro move yeepa.
2028. Nipa obetena kunya no so no. Still na hinie no. It will be there for the Chiefs, meboa.
What's it? 2028.
It will be a president for the Chiefs, meboa.
I don't have utterance yet until February. Once we get to February, I'll tell you. That time I would have clarified everything.
I see.
I already know, but let's just, as I always say, when God is doing something, and then as the Lord lives, there is a way He gives you. Human beings are in the angle, so He allows it to go like a wave, and all the people have to play their part, so that the catalyst will be very well managed and then well handled.